be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew.
This is recording with the 15 to 45 millimeter Canon lens. Yeah, Canon EF lens. Currently I'm at 45 millimeter. So right now I'm at 15. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yeah, recording in 1080p. So you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. I'm at Canon Display Hospital. So this is the video quality of the EOS M with the kit lens 15 to 45 millimeter. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good I'm looking. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good I am looking. At the end of the day, you can be only the judge. So yeah, how good is the focus, how good is the exposure and everything. That's not bad. This is the video recording on the 15 to 45 millimeter lens. Let me show you the zoom. So this is the zoom, as you can see. This is video recording on the 15 to 45 millimeter lens. Let me zoom in and show you. This is 45 millimeter and this is 15 millimeter. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yeah, so this is I'm handling, and then you need to be the judge how good is the video quality.